Actually, no, this is where relative.
Well, no,
As long as you focus the hero when it jokes.
your mic is like you've turned into a robot. We cannot understand you.
I feel like golden gun. Maybe like high B. I feel like
Golden Gun is really good, but Lunakai just kind of outclassed it.
But maybe high B, low A. What would you say? I don't know. I'll just go like low A because it's good support. And why would there's no reason not to use it? So just a good support. Gold plume. Gold
here.
Pretty good, yeah.
They exist.
Oh, do we really have to make a year?
Yes!
No.
Yes, it's done. It's done. I beat Queen Slime.
Oh, let's go. Now you get to move on to the fun part.
I am never.
G.
Oh my god, 567. Infernum does not mess about.
How many 567?
Infernum does not mess about. Neither does the crystal attack, which caused at least 100 of my deaths.
Infernum Queen Slime is an entity.
So true. One of the bosses of all time.
It's true. Oh, it's so meta. Wait.
Hello.
Okay. Fresh, sweet.
We're on gold plume spear currently.
Now you get to move on to the fun parts, the mechs and the alts.
Yeah, I really wanted to destroy her.
What level are you guys on?
Prime arms.